I'll record this. By now you know how to extract. That's how you extract. So this is
Yes.
2025. Okay, very important. So we will do two today. I'll not do the MS Word part because not right now. We will directly start with task 3 databases. You're going to prepare some reports, make sure all required data is fully visible, use database software to import runners of CSV. Okay, use the field names and data types. So we have to import the following. Set race name as primary key. Okay, fine. So this is the folder that I've extracted. I'll copy the path so that we can import the racer file. Open a blank database, create. I'm recording, I'll share with you. External, by now you know this, from file, text file. And you paste the path over here, browse, so that you get the folder we want is the runners. Okay. It should always be delimited. We have discussed this before. Our first row should contain the field names. Okay. And now let's slowly discuss this. So first to our text, fine. Come here. I can even do it from here. I could do it from here. Text, you can see. The third basically is your integer. So that's your integer. Okay. Somehow it's faster here. So it's integer. Then you have all numbers. So you see, they're all numbers. So double is decimal places, it's a number. Long integer is a number. Okay. So it's fine. They haven't mentioned anything else. So, okay, year of birth, integer, fine. Okay. And next, we have to set a primary key and we'll set over here the race number as a primary key because you can see they have mentioned that. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. So next, and then you finish. Successfully imported. If there is an error, we have to rectify the error. We cannot continue. So simply come to the design view, take a screenshot of this. Okay. You will use new, take a screenshot of this. Okay. Copy. And you need to do is you have over here is evidence. And they've said what? Place in the evidence document a screenshot showing field names. Okay. And the screenshot. So we will place it over here. Evidence, whatever. Maybe it was evidence too. We'll go to the sequence, we'll know that. Fine, good. Okay. Import group.csv as a new table. Set cat code as a primary key. Fine. So let's import is the group CSV file. External text file. Browse. And sorry, we have to import what? The group. Okay. Next. First row. Nothing much. They didn't say data type. They just said was the cat code should be the primary key. They've mentioned this. So again, go to the design view of the group file. And again, also take a screenshot of this as well. Okay, this much, or even this much is also fine. You don't have to go even down there, copy, and you can simply place it below this. Control V. Right? It's fine. Let go like this, doesn't matter. Okay, so done this one as well. Create one-to-many relationship between cat code in the group table. Okay, so between cat codes. So let's do it. Okay, one thing very important, just close these tables. Database tools, relationship, add both of them. If it was not being recorded, obviously I will do it repeatedly, okay, and slowly. So cat code and your What else? Let's read again. Okay. Create one relationship between cat code in the group table and the category in the this table. So yes, category. This one. It says one to many. Created. Now you are supposed to take a screenshot of this as well. Remember that. Always try to give all the evidences. Are you with me again? I hope
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Very good. So ये देखो कंट्रोल V कर लिया. ठीक हो गया. ठीक है. Add the following records. ये आप खुद कर लेना. I mean, like I'll tell you how to do it. You had in the runners table ना. इधर आके I'm
Yes.
not going to try to make a step कर देता हूँ क्योंकि उसमें टाइम लगेगा. So you just have to. Oh, just come down. Enter the records over here manually. ठीक है.
Okay,
Now
sir.
let's do this part. Okay. Let's make a report. How do we make a report? Using fields from both tables, produce a tabular report that now these are the criterias. This will be the second step we do. Okay. First, we have to do this step always. Shows fields. How? Again, close the tables. Close this. Yes. Now what you do is create query design. Query design. Create query design. Add both tables. Add what? Category. Add category. Race number. Add your race number. Last name. First name. Last name. First name. The reason I'm doing slow is because no mistake in this part. Level. Category rank. Level. Category rank. Okay. In this order, with data and labels displayed in full, do not group. No, we do not have to. Fine. Now what they're saying is, all we have to do is select the records where the category starts with F. Category starts with F. How will you do that? So if I run this, I get this. So can you tell me any idea? They're saying category should start with F. Remember,
Sir, so
they
we
say,
will write star F.
sorry,
We
I,
will write.
no, category should start with F.
Yes, sir. So we will write F then star.
Very good. See, well done. And category rank is 1 or 2. So in category rank, okay. Now we have to display the category rank. Okay, I'll just show you. We'll write 1 or 2. So we get 1 or 2. But you might be saying they did not ask. Oh, they did get it. We did not add category rank. I'm sorry.
Sir, आपने
We did. I didn't see that. We did. So yeah, 1 or 2. So here we go. We have 1 or 2. Fine. Right. So we've also done this part. This is actually the filtering. If you do the step wrong, your number of records would be a lot. You'll exceed. So
okay.
obviously, you have to be very careful. But believe me, it's not very difficult. Okay. Okay. Now source into ascending order of category, rank. So ascending category rank and descending of level. So you have level, make it descending. Okay, now these steps, page orientation, page single, page wide, top of the page has your name of the report. So these are all part of report, keep in mind. These all. With practice, you will know. So what do? We just run this, fine. What do we now? Create a simple report. Just click on report. Okay, it will ask you, do you want to yes? I'll say yes. And it'll say what should be the name of the report. they have mentioned includes the title this. So copy, and here you go. Control V. Here you go. Okay. Okay. Is this landscape or portrait? It's portrait. So I am in portrait right now. Just make sure your size is always A4. In CI, we always use A4 size paper. Now I'll just adjust this. Now, where am I adjusting this? In the layout view. Remember this. In the layout view. So adjustment should be done here. Okay, so here we go. And do the steps slowly, not very fast. Okay, don't compress too much. Don't compress too less. So you see over here, if I preview, I have extra page on the right. There's too much extra page. How do I get rid of this? Listen carefully. View, design view. So I can bring this here. And now simply drag it so that it comes over here. And print preview. Here we go. Still, I have this bit. I'll also rectify this. How? Okay, so technically, uh, what I could do is I don't need date and time. I can probably delete it. Okay, I don't need this. So I can even extend this over here so that now you'll see print preview. I don't have that extra. So it's looking nice, neater. So this is our page. Okay. So exactly, it should come this way. So this is okay, has your name, center number, and candidate number in the report. Okay. So I'll just type this. Are you with me, Sam?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'll come here. Design view, design view. Now listen this carefully. If I want to write my name, I'll use a label, this label, and in the page footer, not report footer, in every page, because my name should appear in every page, not at the end of the report. So I'll place the name, the center number, and the candy date number. Okay. Now if I preview this page at the bottom of the page, so you'll get the page printout. Second page, you will get the printout of the page as well. Yes or no? Did you
Yes,
get it?
sir.
So was this clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So maybe in the next class, we can continue and do the second report, because meanwhile, I would like you to do this yourself and send it to me.
Sir,
Okay.
can you send the link of this paper?
I'll send you the video and the files right away. Give me 5 minutes. Okay. So you can
Okay,
practice
sir.
writing. Okay. Before you sleep today. Okay. Right. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
I'm just sending you. Let me compile it and I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Okay.